Shoperations allows users to start planning event details before budgets are formally approved and dispersed. This sort of bottom-up planning, also known as zero-based budgeting, is becoming increasingly popular. Under the ZBB process, teams create event estimates and document spend assumptions, then pitch ideas for review and approval. Note that while estimated spend is populated, there are no budgets allocated yet. Once funding is approved and formally loaded to the Budget tab, some events will get funded by allocating budgets to their tactics. Other events may be rejected and therefore canceled. Reasons for cancellation can be recorded in the Event Notes page. This process of reviewing detailed bottom-up plans and approving spend on a case-by-case basis is the foundation of zero-based budgeting, and it is easy to do in Shoperations.